right, guys, I just wanted to show you this plant right quick. This is lemongrass. This is what I will be using in my ginger tea. We call it, let me give you a closer look. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, here it is. It is called citronelle. It has like this nice lemony taste to it, but it smells divine. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you the ginger. I'm using this ginger here. It's first of all, I want to say sorry, I don't have a camera person, so I had to place this on the counter, but I did find this organic ginger at my local farmer's market, so which was awesome. And I already grated one, so I'm gonna go ahead and grate the other one, and I'm using this side, okay, with skin and all, because once we're done boiling the tea, then I will use a strainer to get all of this stuff out. Okay, and yeah, just make sure you wash off your ginger prior to using it. Okay, so we're gonna do that like that, and it all depends on the amount of ginger. And if you don't like your ginger strong, then do not do this. Just kind of like cut them in big pieces and maybe smash it down and stick it in the pot. But I like it when it's nice and strong, because I like to taste the ginger. Okay, and I'll show you guys what I do next once I'm done. I gotta be careful with my fingers here. I just wanted to show you quickly on this lemongrass. I did wash it, and what you would do is fold it. I already fold it, and I kind of give it a twist like this. And what I'm doing is I'm kind of releasing all of the flavors. Instead of just drop it in the pot, and kind of twist it. That way, all of the flavors will be released in this. All right, to our boiling water, what I will do is add our lemongrass like that, and then I would add some star anise and some cinnamon sticks. Okay, so I'm gonna drop that in like that. I'm gonna let that boil. If you notice, our liquid is already starting to get a little greenish from our leaf, and it smells so good in here. It has like this lime lemony smell. It is awesome. Okay, guys, here's our ginger, as I told you, with the skin on. And if you notice how green our liquid got, see, notice that? Which is good. So what I do is let this boil for about, I would say maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I will add my ginger in like that. And I'm going to stir it in like that. And then I'm going to let this cook for, well, not even cook, but boil for about maybe 5 more minutes. And then I'll come back and show you what I do next. All right, guys, our tea has been boiling for about 10 minutes, and it kind of reduced. I don't know if you can notice the color of our tea. It smells divine in here. I wish you guys can smell it. So what I'll do at this point is add my sugar You could add brown sugar, whatever sugar you use. And just, I do have a nice amount of liquid in here. So you don't want to add too much sugar, but just enough sugar to sweeten in it. And if I was doing this individually, just for myself, I wouldn't even use sugar. I would just, in my cup, I would just add some honey, and I would have been okay with that. Just want to taste it and make sure the sugar is good. All right, the sugar is good. So what I'll do at this time is I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to let it sit and let it cool down for maybe about another 5 minutes, just to let all the flavors kind of settle, and then I'll show you what I do next. All right, guys, what I will do now is just pour my tea, just a little bit, just enough for me to drink. And what I used was a strainer. And here's our tea. Remember, our tea has the sugar already. And what I will do is go ahead and pour it into my teacup like that. And here is our tea. Until next time, please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe.